हेलो 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 हेलो, नमस्कार, वेलकम, बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आप लोगों का ओलंप ट्रेड के हमारे इस नए वेबिनार में। सॉरी सॉरी सॉरी। गुड इवनिंग लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, आई एम सो सॉरी टू बीइंग लेट. देयर वाज सम issue in my system, so please accept my apologies. My name is Hemant Modi. I am a financial analyst of Olymp Trade Broker and welcome to our new webinar. So Olymp Trade is always providing you some educational materials, things like webinar, personal consultations, as well as the last time we have done the webinar marathon. So guys, I think all of you are ready for today. So we are discussing about today about one more strategy and how this strategy is going to work and what we need to do, how the things are going to be better for our for using the strategy and how to use the signals and all things we will discuss today. So before that, starting the consultation, I would like to request you everyone, welcome all of you. Please, if you have any problems, any questions, any situations, please send me the details on the feedback in the comment box. As well as please try to not copy the trading, because the trading is very risky thing, guys. However, also remember one thing, that this is the live broadcast, so it's taking a little bit time on the broadcasting. Like right now what I'm saying, it will come to you after almost some second, so it's a late streaming. And I have a balance. Trading is a very risky thing, so do not copy. Just try to understand what I'm providing you the detail and just trade accordingly and do some practice. So let's not waste the time. How to find where is the strategies and what are the strategies? Strategies are the basically a technical tool, a computerized tool which can provide us a better way signals to open the trade. If you are using the mobile application, then what you need to do, you need to find this strategy. It's just near to that our asset side, and you can see this mark which is belongs to the technical analysis, and it shows like a Eiffel Tower or A. We need to click over there, then we will have all these segment. Right now what we can see, this is coming in the vertical way, but in the mobile application you can check it's a horizontal line, horizontal way, all these menus. So on the fourth option we are watching, as you can see, strategies. These are the strategies. If you are an starter status holder, then you will have a chance to get only 8 strategies. I'm so sorry. If you become an advanced status holder, then you will have more strategies, 7 more strategies. So overall number of strategies is going to be 15. But if you become an expert status holder, then you will also have a chance to get 8 more strategies. So total number of strategies 23 you will get once you will become an expert status, which is the most prestigious status of Olymp Trade as per the trader condition. So you need to go to the strategy section. Then we will discuss today about the Rodio. Strategies are basically combining tools which belongs to the indicator and oscillator. So those who don't have expert status, and if you wanted to put that strategies, then first of all we need to go to the Rodio. Here is the Rodio. We need to click to the Rodio. Once I click to the Rodio strategy, as you can see, there is a small video. You can check this video. This video belongs to not more than 2 minutes, and you will get some help if you are confused by using the strategy. So for a reminder, you can check it out. There is a basics below the Rodio video, and these are the components I need to enable the strategy. Once I enable the strategy is going to be set on my account automatically. There is no changes which I need to do by manually. But if you don't have expert status, then what you can do, just change according as I'm saying now. First of all, you need to go to the candlestick section. You need to change the candlestick from Heiken Ashi, from Japanese to Heiken Ashi. Then you go to the again technical analysis section. Go to the oscillators. Click to the first of all MACD. Then again you need to go like here, add more tools, oscillator, and you need to click to the stochastic as well. if you are going to use the MACD, again you need to go to the MACD and just you need to change it from histogram to chart. That's it. Now the strategy is going to be set automatically. All right. And those who have an expert status, there is no need to worry. Go to the strategies, click to the Rodio, enable the strategy, and done. Guys, let me inform you one thing. Right now, I just see some questions. Please wait. Let me finish this topic, and you will definitely get reply of all your questions. So let's complete this thing. Okay. So this is strategy called Rodio, and a very gentle strategy this is. It's a counter trend strategy which we can use for FTT as well as the Forex as well. So basically this strategy belongs to the high Kanashi candlesticks as well as stochastic, as you can see down, and MACD. Rodio is a counter trend system showing us the most probable point of correction or trend reversal. Whenever we see some kind of correction, then you can easily check it over here, or whenever you can see the reversal point, you can find it from there. So we need to find the moments of a trend of reversal or normal trend using the high Kanashi candlestick, MACD and as well as the stochastic should confirm the signal. And how we can confirm the signal, how to do it. Okay, I will obviously going to do some trading, live trading in front of you guys, so that you can understand how these things are working. Till that time, because I'm seeing that maybe we will get some signal over here, and if we will get, then I will open the trade, otherwise I will change the asset. Let's discuss about the MACD. So our first oscillator, which you can see with the green and red line and a sea green area chart, that is called MACD, moving average convergence and divergence. MACD basically is a trend following momentum oscillator which is showing us a relationship between two moving averages of a asset price. And what is that moving average? That is called EMA, expansional moving average. So here in the MACD, what you can see, there is a horizontal line, and time to time what we saw, the MACD just crosses that line from down to up, and we saw the signal might be going to an upper side. And once the MACD crosses the line from up to down, and this horizontal line MACD crossed, and we saw there is a signal for a downtrend. Basically what we need to do, we need to follow the signals. Here we have two more lines, guys. One green line, one red line, as I mentioned before. So that lines basically can provide us a more accuracy and more effective signal over there. How? Basically the green line belongs to the MACD. As the MACD is going to move, this green line is always moving with that. But the red line is basically the signal line. So whenever we see the green line cross the red line from up to down, at the same point, at the same moment, what we saw, the MACD area chart is also crossed the horizontal way from up to down side. So this is the basically major signal. Also, whenever this green line cross the red line from down to up, at the moment we can see the MACD area chart is also cross the horizontal line from down to up, and we can see the some maybe upper trend signal. However, the stochastic is quite different. So about these both line, it shows the signal when we see it cross above for buying or below to sell, the signal line, right? The speed of the crossover is a signal of whether the market is overbought or oversold. How to know? Like we see here, this is the crossover can done sharply. It's going up and suddenly crossing down. But here we have one more crossover. This is not a sharp crossover. The lines are too close. As if we can see the lines are too close with each other, then try to not open the trade, because that time maybe chart is not proper, or the market is volatile, or there is not too much signal for opening the trade at the market. Now let's discuss about the stochastic oscillator. So stochastic, as you can see, the build in the separately on the downside below the graph. So it is represented by the two curves of 80 and 20. The indicator value range is 80 or 20. It's by default is going to be 100 to 0. So the percentages belongs, it's working as per the conversion and diversion ratio. The intersection in between two lines, here we have two more lines, one is red, one is blue. The intersection of two lines, and when this line is going to touch the level of 80 and when this line is going to touch the level of 20, then we can arrange and we can check that the chart is overbought. What is the meaning? What is the meaning? If this both line is going up and reaching the level 80, that means we can say and we can assume the chart is overbought. The asset is already overbought. And once we see this both line is coming down and reach to the level 20, that means the chart is oversold. And what to do? Once we see the chart is overbought, means now we can assume that in the small time there will be a chance to open a trade on a downtrend, or the trend is might be go down. Once we see the chart is going below the level 20 or touch the level 20, then we need to just think about opposite situation, like okay, the chart is oversold. Now there will be a situation that might be the chart is going up and we will have a chance to open some upper trend. However, remember one thing, whenever we saw these lines are coming over the line, these two lines of stochastic is coming over the 80 line and trending over here, or coming below the line and trending below the line, try to not open the trade. So this is basically the method of the strategy. Now let's go to open some trades. So this is a perfect signal, but we should open the trade at the starting of this candle. Now I am waiting for that. The signal is, the candle is already red. The second candle, which is I am having a cursor right now, the candle is already red, MACD is below the line, and the green line is already crossed sharply red line to the downtrend, down area. Horizontal way MACD is already crossed and its area chart is coming below the line, as well as stochastic is also showing us a signal which is can provide the detail that yes, there will be a might be a chance for a downtrend. So we can open the trade here, but remember one thing, the fresh signal is always considered as a good signal. What is the fresh signal? The first candle, this candle which is right now I open the trade, the previous candle as you saw, this is the best candle to open the trade, because at the first moment we can see all three signals are matching. So we need to focus about the three signals. Let's go to some other chart and try to find some signals. Okay, right now what you can see, the candle is too close. Sorry, the lines of the stochastics are too close, and we have a signal which is we cannot consider for trading. This is a trend which is we called actually trend of uncertainty. So better to not open the trade. What we need to do, we have a signal, we have a many assets, just you need to click here over 80%. Now you will have a chance to get the profitability which is maximum as per the expert status. It's going to be 93% and minimum 80%. So any of the asset you can choose which is providing us a signal, and you can easily open the trade. But remember one thing, before opening the trade, you always need to focus about your previous candles. If the previous chart or previous candle is coming like this, that means maybe there will be a chance that our trade is going to be dicey. Right now I'm trying to open a trade. Okay, everything is okay, all three signals are matching, but I am opening the trade. But just check the chart. This chart is actually dicey because we are having a trend of uncertainty here, so we are not sure that this trend is going up or not. However, one more thing, the strategy doesn't mean that it is a guarantee of the success. There is no 100% guaranteed criteria for success ratio. Why? Because if I could have this method or any of this kind of technique that which is I can use and I will have a chance to get some 100% profitable trade, then I could not sit here and providing you the consultation. It would be better that I can sit at home and make my money double, triple and millions and billions. No. Strategy is only means that you will have a chance to open the trades and with the signals, but 100% signals are not confirmed. Please remember this thing. So what happened with this trade, guys? Remember, we have here a level. That's why many of the time what we saw, we opened the trade and at the moment we open the trade, we see that our trade is going on the opposite direction. Why? Because previously we didn't focus. Here you can see the trend is not going above like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7. 7 times what we saw, 7 times this candle is not going and stopping. So the candle is not even moving up and not even moving down from this area. In that situation, better to not open the trade, as I mentioned. However, I am using basically the martingale system, and as per the martingale system, one trade is profitable, second trade actually I use the real money, so it was loss, and third trade is no profit, no loss. Let's find some signal from some other asset. Remember one thing, as much assets you are choosing for the trading, it will be a better condition. Usually what happened, people are just bounded themselves to only on a single asset. Like I very much like to open the trade only with the Asia composite. Don't do this, please. Don't do this. Because whenever the trend is dicey, you didn't know. However, I just told you now, this kind of trend, once we see the one candle green, one candle red, one candle green, one candle red, please do not open the trade, because in that situation you will not have a chance to open the trades and you will not have a chance to, more or less I can say that, more successful trades. So better to wait and open the trade with the proper signal and direction. Now one more thing, I open one more trade with the risk free trade, so no worries. I'm just wanted to teach you something. Whenever the blue line is reached the green level 80, means overbought zone, but the red line is below the level. As much as you can see is these lines is going near to the level 80 or level 20, try to stop your trade. Don't open the trade, because this is the area when mostly the chart is reverse. So maybe I become a super having a bad luck that I open a trade on this situation and suddenly we saw the trend is just changed and we are having a downtrend candle. So better to not open the trade. As a starting position, you can see the signals are matching with you, all three signal. From down, stochastic is up, MACD is up, and if you can find this signal here, then this is a better way to open the trade, because here you can not, I cannot say that it's like okay ki more accuracy we will find that we will have a profitable trade or not. However, we can open, but try to not do on starting way, please. Okay, please remember that strategy is not the guarantee of success. So I am opening a trade at the moment here. When I saw the stochastic is up, MACD is also up, because this is the first signal of MACD. So I opened the trade on the first signal of MACD, and okay, now you see suddenly the candle is coming down. Now the candle is coming down, because we already this all two lines is already reaches the area. So guys, if you are watching any asset and if you saw there is a signal, please let me know in the comment box, because when I will see. Okay, so maybe the reversal on the commodity. Okay, let me check on the commodity composite index. Right now we didn't find any reversal, sir. GTA 6. So reversal, when we will feel about the reversal? Okay, better, nice. Slowly we need to see the MACD, the curve of MACD is going to be down, and this green line should be slowly coming near to the red line from upper to down section. Then we can say there will be a reversal. Okay, someone said that maybe in the crypto composite. So let's check the crypto composites also. In the crypto composite, yep, true. So Rodio enable. Yes, sir. But we are a little bit late over here, and let me close this one. We are a little bit late. Now we can open the trade over here, but as we see, the lines are already moved. But this is the best way to open the trade. Previous candle was the finest signal, the fresh signal, and second candle is also okay to open the trade for an upper trend. Whenever we need to open the trade for downtrend, the same pattern is we need to use on the opposite form. The candle should be red. Candle should be red. MACD below the line, and stochastic also just reach that area of 80, and the blue line should cross the red line from up to down, and if all three signals are matching, then we can open the trade. Okay, we can open the trade. So in that situation, what we need to do now, let's see some more assets. Let's find something. Not here as well. Mooch index. Okay, here we are having some kind of thing. So let's open the trade one. Check this out also. Check this out also. Here what we see, this is a first candle, which is a, always remember, still I am just again saying this, repeating and repeating. The first candle is always the better candle. If we are getting the signal on first candle, try to open the trade. What is the entry point? The entry point should be, if you are putting the graph time of 1 minute, so we can open the trade for 2 minute, 3 minute graph time. 3 minute, the trading time should be 2 minute or 3 minute. But if you putting the graph time for 1 minute, the candle expression time is 60 minute. The duration of candle is going to be 60 minute. We should open the trade on first 10 second. Try to open the trade on first 10 second. Just a moment. Okay, no quote on this. So try to open the trade on first 10 second or maximum 20. If you saw the 20 second is already passed and the candle is already moved to the 30s, don't open the trade, please. Basically, we just need to focus, because this is the time right now which is right I'm using for trading. This is a dicey time. Why? Because the American market is already near to open and some of the news is also coming. So at that time market is going to be a little bit dicey. So try to avoid this time to open the trade. A period of high market activity. High market activity period means we will have a better signal. Okay. In that situation, what we need to do, we will get a proper signal from up to down, down to up, and we can easily use. A lower market activity period means we will have a chance to see these kind of candles. Shivam ji, you need to wait, sir, please. And there is no need to just copy and paste the messages. I will give you the answer. You please have some patience, sir. Whenever we are doing trading, we are not using patience. Whenever we are in webinar, we are also not in patience. Sir, patience is the key of the success. As much you can send this message with the copy paste, it will just considered as a spam. So please don't do this. I kindly request you, enjoy the webinar. I will give you the answer about the crash index also. So please wait. Have patience, sir. Okay? No need to send these messages continuously. I already saw it. This is the reason of the losses, boss. Because we don't have patience. Patience. Please. Okay. So again, high market activity timing is a better situation to open the trade. Whenever we see these kind of candles, how to find this way? Either the candle is a small, either the candle is big, one candle green, one candle red, one candle green, one candle red. In that situation, what we need to do, we need to check the lines of MACD as well as the stochastic. So here what we see, the MACD lines are not too sharp and the stochastic is also too close. This is the low market active period. So what we need to do in that situation, just change the asset. Just you need to change the asset, and that is completely fine for you. So the most active time period, what is the most active time period for trading? Those who's working from India, those who's trading in India, better time frame is afternoon 12:30 to evening 10:30. But please remember to not open the trade at this time, like 6 or 7. Mostly the data release is coming on that time, like inflation data. Sometimes we are having GDP news or some American news, so that can be influence the market. So try to avoid the trading at that particular time. However, from 12:30 to evening 10:30 is a good time to open the trade. About from other countries, guys, please remember the most active time period is 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. UTC plus 3. Remember to avoid trading at the moment of important economic news, because at the moment of important economic news we didn't know that there is some news in the market. So better you can subscribe, or you can just not subscribe, just you can easily find a economic calendar of any of the website. That will be going to be help you for find the important economic news and the timings. What are the timings of that economic news? So it can be help you. Whenever we choose the trading, we need to focus about the asset should be minimum 80%. Always choose the asset which is going to be minimum 80%. So 80% asset is quite fine for you. If you choose the 80% asset, that will be fine. No need to waste your time and waste your money to the asset which is providing you 70% profitability, 60%, 30%. No need. Also, this strategy can work very effectively when we are using the loss compensation system or martingale system. Now, what is the martingale system? Let me show you by my trades. So here is the martingale. You can check it. I open a trade with the $100, 100 USDT. I mean, you shouldn't open the trade with the 100 USDT. Basically, what you need to do, you need to check the thing. Whatever your amount, whatever the amount of your balance, you can open the trade with the minimum 1% of that amount. So open the trade with the, just example, $100. I opened the trade with the 100 USDT. It was unsuccessful. Then I again opened the second trade, that is with the 200 USDT. That is also unsuccessful. Then I opened the trade with the 500 USDT. However, what you can do with the 200, you can go with the 400, not with the 500. That is also unsuccessful. And the fourth and last trade, I opened with the 1000 USDT and it is positive, and I recover my all amount with some profitability. So usually I am using this pattern to recover my losses, and this pattern is work very effectively. Here you can also check 50, 100, 200 and then 500. Remember, our psychology is mostly affected in our trading too much. Whenever we are having some profitable trades, we feel like we are invincible. Nobody can stop us, and we unnecessarily taking some more risk and open some trades in the high volume trades and with the heavy amounts, and suddenly if there is 2-3 trades are going to be negative and we lose the money which we actually just earn from the platform, then we wanted to recover our losses as possible as early as. Then we are doing the same mistakes. And what are that mistakes? We are again using the same way. We are using the same way to open the trade with the high amount. So don't do this. Please remember, after 4 successful trades or after 4 unsuccessful trades, try to take a break from the trading. The time of the break, duration of the break timing, choose according to you. Then after the break, if you will come, then the cloud of the emotion is going to be removed from your head. Then open your trade again. If your 4 trades are as per the martingale system, if your 4 trades are going to be unsuccessful, so there is only 2 reasons. The reason number 1 is market is maybe dicey or something not good in the market. because every time you are not doing mistakes, or the reason number 2 is maybe you are not using the strategy or trading as per the proper way, so you need to change. One more thing I would like to suggest you, whenever you are doing trading, guys, please do not bounded yourself only on the one asset. Mostly traders, what they are using, what they are thinking, actually they are opening the trades with the high profitability assets. Do not focus with the high profitability asset, even you need to focus with the number of profitable trades. So go with the numbers, don't go with the high profitability of the assets. Okay, and after two unsuccessful trades, after the two unsuccessful trade on the same asset, change the asset, change the timing, change the strategy as well, because the strategy, as I mentioned, maybe the Rodio is not working fine now, but some other, maybe the Kind Martin is working fine, some other strategy can be working fine, so you can use like that. Okay, again I am repeating the timing. If you are putting the graph time of 1 minute, the trading time of this with this strategy is minimum 2 to 3 minutes. So you can check my trades. I opened some trades in front of you guys and I have some profitability. So 1, 2, 3. 3 successful trades and 3 unsuccessful trades I have. Okay. Now one more thing. Again I repeat, after 2 unsuccessful trade, please do not open the trade on the same asset. Change the asset, change the strategy, change the timing. So if you choose the graph time of 5 minutes, then your trading time is also going to be changed, and that will be 10 to 15 minutes. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 you can choose. Now about Forex. If you want to open the trade in Forex by using the same strategy, then you need to just change the graph time. Okay, wait a minute please. So here we have profitability. Apple is also providing some profit, no worries. So we need to choose the graph time from 15 minutes to 4 hours as per your convenience. So let's suppose I put it the graph time of 1 hour and or 15 minutes. So we are having a signal. You just open the trade as I mentioned. That will be fine for you. The same method we need to use, just you need to change the graph time, minimum 15 minutes, maximum 30 to 4 hours, 30 minutes to 4 hours. Okay. So Forex is a different platform, different thing. Fixed time trade is a different platform, also a different thing. But the signal is always good. Alright, so let's take some questions, guys. Why crash index is not working? There is some problem. Before we are just putting the crash index, so there will be an update and soon the crash index will be working, or you will get the news. For now, don't worry. Right now, because the crash index is actually very dicey index, because it's a very risky index. Apart from the all index, if you can check Asia composite, but it's very dicey index, so there will be some updates and you will get this update shortly. GTA 6, hello Guruji, namaskar, hello. I'm good sir, thank you so much. Why crash index is not working? Okay, I already gave the answer. Cricket lover, aa jao, aa gaya sir. Wonder da Costa, hello sir. Adil, hello Adil, cash STM under maintenance. Yup. Adil ji, sir, I'm new. Welcome to the Olymp Trade consultation, sir. Please join our this channel, and I would like to request you, all of you guys, please share this channel to your friends, those who are working also in the Olymp Trade, trading. So like the channel and subscribe the channel. So every time whenever we are providing the webinar, at least you will get the news about that. Gujo vlog, Olymp Trade browses in money. USD deposit in UPI payment method, price 90.7. This is the situation is USD deposit price it belongs to the currency trading. Whenever it seems like the currency trading, so if you don't know about the currency trading, I would like to request you, please at least go to the Google and check at least what is the currency trading and how the currency trading working, if you are buying any currency and if you are selling any currency. So whenever you are putting deposit in your account, you will get the currency price is high, but you forgot, sir, that you will get the same amount in your account as well. It's not going according to the 82. You are getting the currency in your account with the $90 also. At the time of withdrawal, you are getting the same. No worries. RK Gaming भाई ट्रेडिंग स्टार्ट किया है, प्लीज प्रॉफिट करो ताकि मैं मोटिवेट हो सकूं. मैं सर प्रॉफिट कर लेता हूं. RS गेमिंग आलोक जी, मैं प्रॉफिट कर लेता हूं क्योंकि मेरे पास पेशेंस है. करीबन 14 साल का एक्सपीरियंस है ट्रेडिंग का. ओलम ट्रेड में भी 5-6 साल से ज़्यादा हो गया एक्सपीरियंस है. मुझे कोई जल्दी नहीं होती है, मुझे किसी भी तरह की जल्दबाजी नहीं है, और इसी वजह से आप मेरा बैलेंस चेक कर सकते हैं कि मैं धीरे धीरे करके इसको बना रहा हूँ. हाँ, थोड़ी सी आपसे ज़्यादा ट्रेडिंग जानता हूँ. प्रॉब्लम ये है गाइस, यू नीड टू लर्न फर्स्ट, बिकॉज अर्निंग विदाउट लर्निंग नॉट पॉसिबल. Whatever the profession you choose, doesn't matter if you are become a doctor, lawyer, engineer, or anyone, even teacher. You need to learn about your profession first, then you will have a chance to get some job or professionalism or anything. So there is no shortcut. So this is the experience of around 14 years. That's why I'm here and I'm earn the money. However, daily basis पे nobody is going to be earn. ओके, केशव राज जी कह रहे हैं एशिया कॉम्पोजिट स्टेटस. एशिया कॉम्पोजिट स्टेटस, अच्छा एसेट. ऑल राइट, एशिया कॉम्पोजिट इंडेक्स, दिस ट्रेड इज ऑल्सो गोइंग पॉजिटिव. नाइस. सो एशिया कॉम्पोजिट राइट नाउ नथिंग सर. समायरा सर, मुझे पेमेंट डिपॉजिट करने का तरीका बता दें. देखिए सर, पेमेंट डिपॉजिट करने के लिए आपको कुछ नहीं करना. आपको ऊपर यहाँ पे जो आपका अकाउंट है इसमें पेमेंट ऑप्शन पे जाना है. यहाँ से आपको डिपॉजिट पे जाना है, और डिपॉजिट पे जाने के बाद आपको जितना पैसा डिपॉजिट करना है वो आप यहाँ पर लिखेंगे. यूपीआई पेमेंट मेथड और बहुत सारे मेथड्स हमारे पास हैं. जो भी आपको चूज़ करना है उस पर आपको टच करेंगे तो यहाँ पर नीचे एक वीडियो है, हाउ डू आई मेक डिपॉजिट, और ये वीडियो आपकी पूरी हेल्प करेगा पेमेंट डिपॉजिट करने के लिए. राइट. हर्षित दुबे, हाय सर. हेलो जी, हेलो हेलो. स्किल्स पावर हे डीपी लॉफली सॉन्ग हिंदी में बता. शायद गलती से बता लिख दिया, सॉरी सर. दिस इज द चैनल विच इज नॉट बिलोंग्स टू द हिंदी. अगर आप ऊपर देखेंगे तो एक लिंक आपके पास आया है हिंदी चैनल का, उस पर हिंदी में कंसल्टेशन होते हैं, आप उसे ज्वाइन कीजिए. आपको वहाँ पर हिंदी में मंगलवार को और बृहस्पतिवार को हिंदी में कंसल्टेशन मिलेगा. थैंक यू. सो RS गेमिंग ब्लॉग क्या है भैया? GTA 5 RS क्या पूछ रहे हैं, दिक्कत क्या है? इज दिस ट्रस्टी ऐप? ओके, यस सर, डोंट वरी. द एप्लीकेशन Olymp Trade is already having a very much awards from the globally trading organizations, as well as we are a member of the Financial Commission. You can go to our website and you can check each and everything. There is a full transparency. So, and the application is already working from 2014. From last 7 years I am here. मतलब पहले मैं ट्रेडर था, अब मैं ट्रेडर के साथ साथ आपको सिखा भी रहा हूँ. So don't worry, you are on the safest platform of the world. So just enjoy trading एंड लर्न द ट्रेडिंग. सर मुझे पेमेंट डिपॉजिट करने का तरीका बताएं. बता दिया जी. मे बी रिवर्सल, ओके. GTA क्रिप्टो कॉम्पोजिट, ओके. डेमो अकाउंट क्यों कर रहा है, रियल में कर बे. जॉन सीना, भाई साहब पहले आप लोग फेक आईडी से आते हैं, फिर आप लोग बदतमीजी करते हैं. थोड़ा सा ठंडे पानी से आंखों को धोइए और सामने देखिए दोबारा से, है ना. ये मेरे पास डेमो अकाउंट है जिसमें मेरा पैसा पड़ा हुआ है 7,354. ये मेरा USDT अकाउंट है जिसमें पैसा पड़ा हुआ है 23,147, और ये मेरा फॉरेक्स अकाउंट है जिसमें USD में पैसा पड़ा हुआ है 17,531। इसीलिए ठंडे पानी से, बढ़िया गर्मियाँ आ गई हैं, थोड़ा सा आंखों पर पानी मारिए और दोबारा से देखिए और थोड़ी सी तहजीब सीख लीजिए, थोड़ी सी बस, बाकी तो दुनिया है, चलता है। शिवम जी, आई थिंक आई ऑलरेडी प्रोवाइड द आंसर ऑफ योर क्वेश्चन। Crash index is right now not working. Soon you will get update about it, so don't be worry. We are doing some maintenance and something, because it's a very high volatile asset, so that's why you need to wait for some time and that everything will be fine, no worries. खारत गेम, हेलो सर खारत गेम, विड्रॉल कैसे करें सर, प्लीज रिप्लाई। विड्रॉल करने के लिए सेम प्रोसेस है सर, पेमेंट ऑप्शन पे आपको जाना है, यहाँ पर डिपॉजिट की जगह नीचे विड्रॉल का ऑप्शन है, जितना अमाउंट आपको विड्रॉल करना है ये इसको आप यहाँ पर लिख के उसके साथ में जिस मेथड से आपने डिपॉजिट किया है आप केवल उसी मेथड में कर पाएंगे, ये ध्यान रखिएगा, ठीक है। रुद्रा आनंद, सर जी आज क्या हो गया है, हिंदी में बोलिए प्लीज सर, प्लीज हिंदी में बोलिए। रुद्रा जी, मेरा निवेदन है कि ऊपर थोड़ा सा चैट बॉक्स में ऊपर जाएंगे तो प्लीज यू विल फाइंड द लिंक ऑफ द हमारा हिंदी चैनल का, ये इंग्लिश चैनल है सर, आप गलत जगह पे हैं, आई एम सो सॉरी। तो आपको एक बार हिंदी चैनल को चेक करना होगा और उस पर उसके ऊपर जाके आप देख सकते हैं, उसमें आपको आराम से मिल जाएगा, डोंट वरी। जैमी रोजस, ओई ओई, आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड सर, आई एम सो सॉरी। धर्मेंद्र जी, इट इज़ अ गुड सिग्नल टू सेल gold in forex. Actually it was yesterday sir, yes it was a signal. Right now the situation is the gold is in the middle condition, 2165, so the downside is going to be 2150, but upper side is maybe going to be even more than 2200. So you can wait when it's going to near to the 2200, then you will have a chance to sell it and at least you will get some around 50 points प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी, ओके ओके। बल्लू गेमर, सर मेरे पैसे नहीं आए हैं, मैंने विड्रॉल मारा था। बल्लू जी 24 घंटे से 5 वर्किंग डेज का समय लगता है, निश्चिंत रहिए, आपका पैसा बिल्कुल सेफ है। अगर 5 वर्किंग डेज से ज़्यादा हो गए हैं मैं माफ़ी चाहूँगा आपसे, कृपया करके आप सपोर्ट टीम से एक बार कांटेक्ट करें, उन्हें अपनी डिटेल प्रोवाइड करें, वो डेफिनेटली आपकी हेल्प करेंगे इसमें। धन्यवाद, नमस्कार। GTA, just missed the signal in Mahajantar. Yes sir, sometimes this has happened, don't be worry. If we are missing something, so no need to be like okay I missed something. Market is always providing you the chance, it depends on you that are you taking this chance or not. Okay. Akash BBB, hello sir, hello GBP USD check date. Why Olymp Trade doesn't offer bonus or any promo codes? Sir, because Olymp Trade providing the high profitability now. Before we had an option to provide a bonuses, but at that moment the profitability is actually very low. We have only two assets which is providing a 90% profitability, and then you only get the 85 and 80%. Right now what we can see, there is a 92, 93%. There is a 4 asset which is providing you the more than 90% profitability. One asset we have 89% profitability, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 assets can provide you 85% profitability, 2 asset 82, and rest other is providing 80%. So don't worry, you can enjoy this. See, every company, every organization having some different things. Someone is providing something, someone is providing different thing. So bonus is also not a real money, bro. Don't unnecessary just because of bonus, because bonus we only can use once we are having up, clean our account, our deposit amount is finished, then we can use bonus only. So try to make your deposit higher and higher with the profitability, I mean the balance making higher and higher, so don't be worry. सर कोई अच्छा सा स्ट्रेटजी बताइए ना 5 सेकंड ट्रेडिंग के लिए। 5 सेकंड का ट्रेडिंग करना ही क्यों है भाई साहब, 5 सेकंड में ही अमीर बनना है, मतलब जल्दबाजी क्यों करनी है भैया, क्यों करनी है, जल्दबाजी नहीं करो, 5 सेकंड पर मत करो, पहले ट्रेडिंग सीख लो, सीखने के बाद जब समझ में आ जाए तो 5 सेकंड पे करो आराम से। जल्दी के चक्कर में अच्छे चले गए बॉस, पहले सीख लो फिर 5 सेकंड पे आना। मिस्टर माइक, एवरेज इनकम ऑन 1 day सर, इट डिपेंड्स ऑन यू सर। यूजुअली व्हाट इज द प्लानिंग इज, इफ यू आर पुटिंग अ प्रॉपर अमाउंट, लाइक according to me 20 to 50,000 rupees in INR is a good amount, and in USD 200 to 500. So if you are getting 20% profitability per day, you should close your trading for the day and come for the next day. But importantly, why we are stuck in the trading? We are having a profitability, but we didn't actually withdraw. We think, yeah, let's make it more. So this make it problem actually one day can finish all the account. So always remember to withdraw your profitability. You need to first of all just take your basic deposit, which is putting from your own pocket. You need to take it out first and then start trading with some profit amount. That's it, just profitable amount, use it. Okay, you are literally very nice to explaining. You also forgot about this global channel. Yeah, GTS6, absolutely. And in the starting, actually last time I did a webinar on a Hindi channel, and then after I was on a vacation and suddenly I just come and I start in Hindi. I'm so sorry. Cosmic, who's give some signal, give some strategy. Sir, I'm providing the strategy also. I'm providing the signal strategy. So if you are coming late, I'm so sorry. Please join always on time, and even you can check this video, then you will understand and how to open the trade by using the signal of Rodio strategy. यो ही क्या नाम है यार भैया, ये रोडियो जहां प्राइस अटका है वहां रुकती है, वहां पर रिवर्सल में ट्रेड लें, और कौन सी टाइम फ्रेम सपोर्ट रेसिस्टेंस ड्रॉ करके लें ट्रेड? देखिए, जब ये रुकता है तब ट्रेड नहीं लेना है, सिग्नल्स को पकड़ के चलना है, क्योंकि अगर आपने MACD और स्टोकेस्टिक के ऑपोजिट में जाकर ट्रेड लिया तो हो सकता है कि अगली कैंडल पलट जाए। तो सपोर्ट और रेसिस्टेंस के लिए सबसे बेटर तरीका क्या होता है, जब भी हम ट्रेड लेते हैं तो पीछे हम देखते हैं कि क्या कोई एक ऐसी जगह है जहां पर कैंडल यहां पर बार बार अटक रही है ट्रेड। तो यहां पर आप देखेंगे एक, इससे पीछे ये 1 2 3 4 5 6, ये ऊपर गया लेकिन नीचे आ गया, 7 8 के बाद अगर आप देखेंगे तो ये यहां पर यहां अटका, बहुत सारी कैंडल्स हैं और एक कैंडल ये है, इसको कहते हैं लेवल। अगर ऐसी कोई जगह जहां पर अगर कोई भी कैंडल पीछे 2 से 3 बार कम से कम एक जगह पर अटकी हुई है और वहां से ऊपर जाने में और नीचे आने में थोड़ी सी प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट कर रही है, तो बहुत ज्यादा चांसेस होते हैं कि वहां पर आने के बाद कैंडल पलट के रिवर्सल पे चली जाए। ये ध्यान रखिएगा। FF सचिन सर, वेरी गुड इवनिंग। हिंदी चैनल लिंक दो सर, ऊपर चेक करें। रावण जी, यार आपको तो राम जी ने निपटा दिया था, फिर कैसे बच कैसे गए? ऊपर चेक करें, ऊपर लिंक है कमेंट बॉक्स में। चलिए, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आप सब लोगों का आज का कंसल्टेशन को ज्वाइन करने के लिए, मेरा सौभाग्य है। थैंक यू सो मच गाइस फॉर ज्वाइनिंग दिस कंसल्टेशन वेबिनार। वी विल मीट ऑन नेक्स्ट Wednesday 6:30 PM. So thank you so much. Have a nice day. Please take care. Namaskar.